What is going on YouTube? 7 Charpels Loft here. Today I'm going to show you guys some birds that I got back from the races. And also a bird, two birds actually, that I got back from both of my buddies, Skylab and Peter of Midwest Loft. Yeah, it's been a year since I got one of the hens back. I gifted to Sky to try out for a year, and then also got a big winner. Got him back, Triple King. That was a big thing for me and Peter. First place 300 miles, first place average speed winner, 3 races in 7 days. Let's go. I'll show you guys both of them. This is Sylvia. Her band number is 240, hence the correlation Sylvia. She flew last year on my young bird race team last year, 2020. She flew all the way from the 100 to the Midwest Convention race, the 350-mile race. She only sat out one race, which was the 300, because of she was going to the convention race. This is a direct daughter off of Turcon, made it to Bulldozer's Beauty. Full sister to Tukdozer's Princess, my first place 2019 Crooked River one-off race winner in the 350 final, who also finished 3rd average speed. Full brother to United 258 last year, 2020. 9th place, 350-mile convention race winner. Peter won me 1,500. So full sister. She didn't do anything significant. She did place a few top 10% on the club races. Yeah. Look at this. That's a beauty. Very strong hand. This girl is nice and beautiful. But yeah, this is Sylvia. Very nice, beautiful pearl eyes. Very nice throat. And I like that in all of my birds. But yeah, this is Sylvia. Very beautiful hen. Triple King. The Triple King. I got him back from Peter, Midwest Loft. He bought this bird for me the year he finished the race. This is a grandson of Turcon. This is a direct son of Wild Midwest. Wild Midwest was my 2017 Purple Heart winner. Won 5,000, and then the following year, 2018, bred this bad boy. Beautiful, beautiful flights. Now Triple King here is first place 300-mile race. Yeah, first place average speed. 100, 200, 300 miles in 7 days. Look at that. That is a beauty of a tail. That is one nice tail. Haven't held him in a while. Yeah, finally got him back. Very nice, beautiful pearl eyes. Very nice throat. Glad to have him back into the loft. Very beautiful bird. See if I can breed something for him too. Oh, beautiful, beautiful bird. Alright, triple king, guys. Alright, there you guys have it. I showed you guys two of my birds that I got back. I actually got a few more back. I think these two are the ones that actually done more damage, and is the main part of the family that I have. Yeah, I'm excited for Triple King. Peters has bred him for the past 3 years and got him back. See if I can hit him. See, there he is right there. Right there, green band. That bad boy. Yeah, so very strong pearl eyes, very vibrant colors. So we'll see how he can do next year. I might put him up to a bulldozer hen. That has been the cross for me. That's been working. Turk Hopkin onto bulldozer. Secret. And for my hen, my Sylvia hen, I'll probably cross her out. I need to find a cross for her. I have a lot of her sisters. Oh, actually I have two of her sisters, another sister of hers, and a lot of half sisters. So we'll see. Gonna experiment with them a little more, hoping to find the next big thing. So without further ado, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Almost 90% of you guys that are watching my videos have not subscribed yet, so please hit the like button and the subscribe button below. I'm much appreciated. And I'll continue to bring you guys more content. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. 7 Shot Brothers Loft.